Have you ever encountered this situation? You accidentally forgot the activation lock on your Apple Watch and now the watch is unusable. You tried various methods like force restart, factory reset, and so on. But now, today, I am going to teach you how to solve this problem. First, we need to understand what the activation lock is. The activation lock is a feature designed by Apple to protect user privacy and security. It prevents others from easily activating. So, what should you do if you accidentally forget your activation lock password? Don't worry, I'll show you a method to bring your device back to life. First, it is best to contact Apple customer support. They can provide you with more professional. Second, if Apple can't assist you with unlocking, you can use the method shown in. I hope this tutorial helps you. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll continue to bring you more practical Apple. Let us explore the fun of technology together and make life more convenient and beautiful. So, if you have any questions, feel free to ask us, and we'll do our best to help you.